Hello everyone, welcome to Naipunya Vikasam channel. I am Sucharita, working as English and Life Skills Trainer in APTWRJC School, Srikalahasti, Chitturu district. Today, I am going to discuss the topic informal telephone conversation. Before going to my topic, first let us know what is conversation and what is formal conversation and informal conversation. Conversation, a discussion between two or more persons, or an interactive communication between two or more persons. Now, let us know formal conversation. Now, why we are knowing about formal conversation is just to identify the small difference between formal and informal conversation. Formal conversation is used with the higher official in workplace and while talking to the elders. For example, when we want to wish the official, we wish like this. Hi sir, how are you doing? Informal conversation. Informal conversation is used in between friends and family members, those who are very close. For example, I will explain the same example because you should know the difference. When we should like to wish them, we wish like this. Hey, what's up? Or hi buddies, what's going on? In this way, we wish them. So, this is about informal conversation. Let's go somewhat depth into the topic with the best example. Let's listen to an informal telephone conversation after Hari gets home from work. Veena, hello. Hari, hi Veena, it's Hari. How it's going? Veena, good, thanks. How about you? Hari, I'm fine. Sure, glad it's Friday. Hey, is Chetu there? Veena, yeah, hold on. I will get him. Chetu, Hari is on the phone. Chetu, hey Hari, what's up? Hari, not much. Are you up for going shopping in this weekend? Chetu, what? There's a lot of background noise. I can barely hear you. Hari, sorry about that. I am at the train station. I was wondering if you wanted to go shopping this weekend. I am heading up to Mountain Lake with some friends early tomorrow morning. Chetu, hang on a second. Let me check with my wife to make sure. We have no other plans. Hari, sure. Chetu, okay. She's given me the green light. Hari, sweet. We will pick you up at 6 tomorrow morning. Is that okay? Chetu, yeah. Do you need directions to my place? Hari, you still living in Gandhi Nagar near Panchayati Center? Chetu, yeah, that's right. The yellow house number 30. Hari, yeah, I know how to get there. Chetu, alright, see you tomorrow then. Hari, take care Chetu, bye. Thank you.